How to activate AT&T Prepaid SIM card. Simply start by opening up any browser that you are using and click on search icon and search for AT&T SIM card activation. Now once you search for this, you just need to go for the first one and click on it. And you are using a physical SIM card, so simply click on physical SIM. Then you need to scroll down until you see let's activate it now. Once you click there, this is going to take you to a new page where you need to select your device which you want to activate. If it is your phone, click on the first one and then you need to scroll down until you see two options, which is AT&T wireless or prepaid. If you are going for the prepaid, simply click on activate prepaid option right on this, and then you just gonna need to choose your SIM type, if it is a SIM number or if it is a EID number. If I click on the question mark, this is also going to open up a snapshot where I can see where I can find my SIM number. So simply enter the 20-digit number, then you need to enter the IMEI number of your device. If you don't know where to find, you can simply go to the general and about. If you are using iOS, if you are using Android, go for the about phone and status of your Android, or you can also dial this particular number. So once you are done, you just gonna need to enter the service zip code, which is going to be the area code where you are in right now, and this is going to continue accordingly. Now you need to enter the further details of your account and follow the on-screen instructions. So that's the way of how you can activate AT&T prepaid SIM card.